How to find the area of any circle. When you see a line going through the circle, it's called diameter. And if you see a line going halfway through the circle, it's called radius. Radius, the distance from the center of the circle to the rim. Diameter, a line that passes through the center of the circle. Let's say you wanted to find the area of the circle. So you would obviously do the formula for finding the area of a circle. Area equals pi times r squared, right? But what does it mean? When you're finding the area of a circle, you're most likely to use a symbol. The symbol is pi, and the value of pi is 3.14. For example, pi times r squared is the same as 3.14 times r squared. Now, we just have to find out what r squared means. Basically, r squared means radius 2, but we use the r to make the equation shorter. So if we know the radius, we just have to square it. But what does it mean to square the radius? Well, squaring a number just means multiplying it by itself. For example, 13 is the radius of the circle, and you have to multiply it by itself, or square it. 13 times 13 equals 169. Okay, now we know what pi is and radius. Let's try using them in a math equation. So we know that the radius of the circle is 13 millimeters, so we have to square it. 13 millimeters times 13 millimeters equals 169 millimeters squared. Now let's put everything into the formula. 3.14 times 169 millimeters squared equals 530.66 millimeters squared. Finally, we know that the area of the circle is 530.66 millimeters squared. This time, instead of getting the radius, we got the diameter of the circle. So we have to divide the diameter by 2 because half of the diameter is the radius. Okay, let's do it. Step 1. 40 kilometers divided by 2 kilometers equals 20 kilometers. Now we found the radius. Step 2. Square 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers times 20 kilometers equals 400 kilometers squared. Step 3. Multiply 400 kilometers by pi. 400 kilometers times 3.14 equals 1,259 kilometers squared. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned how to find the area of a circle.
Created using Powtoon.